about the horrific murder of a 7-year-old boy allegedly at the hands of his father. ABC 13's Courtney Fisher is live from the courthouse where the suspect appeared in court this morning. Just awful, Courtney.
Yeah, Erica, this is the first time we saw Jermaine Thomas up close. He was wearing a yellow county jumpsuit, kept his head down, was polite to the judge, especially when she asked him where he worked. He told her he was a chef at Memorial Hermann. And she says he can keep doing that job should he make bond, though he's not allowed to come into contact with any children. His bond, by the way, is still set at $2 million. Prosecutors filed a motion a few days ago for no bond. Today, the judge asked the prosecutor if they still wanted to move forward with that, and the prosecutor actually said no, that they'll stick with the $2 million. So after court, we asked why. Here's the prosecutor.
So in those types of hearings, you have to be able to prove a future dangerousness, that you're going to seek the death penalty. And in this case, the evidence really isn't there to be able to prove that element. And $2 million is a considerable amount of money to make for bail, and it's not technically equivalent, but it might as well be no bail.
No major new details of the investigation into 7-year-old Troy Kohler's alleged murder. The prosecutor maintains that this is one of the most, what he says, egregious cases he's ever seen. Both parents, Jermaine Thomas and his wife Tiffany, were told had a deep hatred for their 7-year-old son. That's what investigators say. They say that he was angry because that little Troy was stealing their snacks and playing their video games. Now, Tiffany is facing a much lesser charge. Right now, she is only charged with injury of a child by commission or omission. And really what that charge means is that investigators believe that she either contributed to abusing Troy before he died, or that she did not keep him safe, from the hands of Jermaine. So as the investigation continues, we're told that her charges might be upgraded. But again, right now, her bond is much lower, set at only $150,000, and she should be in court sometime next week. We'll keep following the case. For now, reporting live downtown, Courtney Fisher, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.
Thanks for staying on top of that for us, Courtney.